Hi, good day viewer. Today we are here with the Palak Paneer. In today's recipe we have one medium tomato, one medium onion, green chili, green ginger garlic paste. Now the masalas we have: red chili 1 teaspoon, turmeric half, cumin 1/3, coriander 1/4, black pepper little, and salt in the end. Oil we need quarter cup of the measurement. So now we start cooking, and we will boil the spinach, which is 200 gram, and we will not overcook it, just 3 to 4 boils, because we need to grind it. Now we will take it out and use little cold water so that our grinder should not spoil. Spinaches are very fresh, looks green, and we will use cold water and the colors will remain more green. After grinding it, we will keep it aside in another pot and we will start our procedure to go ahead. Now we add quarter cup of the oil in the pan, and we'll start adding cumin. After the cumin, when it little gets fried, so we'll start with green chili. The nice smell is coming. Now it little fries, so we will start adding our ginger garlic paste. Either it is paste or we cut it in the pieces. It doesn't make any difference, because later on we are gonna grind it all together, the onion and tomatoes together. So now we will add here onion. After every addition we need to stir little so that the crispiness should not remain. 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes only we will stir. Now we'll add tomatoes. We will stir for 2 minutes. The colors are looking very nice: white, green, red. Now the masala is merged in it. We will take it out in the grinder. We will mix it along with the spinach, grind it together and keep it aside as our mixture is ready to cook. It's very yummy and there's not more effort. We will grind it and keep it aside. Now we will put our pan. We will put again quarter cup of oil. Little heat it up, medium. Now we'll start with the turmeric powder, then red chili powder. We'll mix it. Then we will use coriander and black pepper as per taste. Some people doesn't like, so we don't add. If you don't like, don't add. I'm adding very little. So now our masalas are ready, so we'll add all the mixture in it. Little we will stir. Now it's ready. On the very low flame we will start garnishing with the cream. It's 1/4 cup of the cream which I am using, but some people have diabetics and sugar, blood pressure, so they need as per taste. Now cubes are available. The cheese cube. I am using homemade, so I'll garnish it with this. Stir very little. We'll take it out. It's ready. Yummy.